Hey guys, welcome back to the Miller Collector channel. I am Offer Price. I have a few items that I'd like to show you. I'm going to break it up in probably about like 2 or 3 videos because there's quite a few items that came out in Weta, and I'd like to show you right into this, and because there's few items that I'm really excited about on this. So let me flip this camera around and I will show you. So I am going to show you this statue right here first. And it is the King of the Dead. It is 1/6 scale, limited edition is 700. I am so loving this. I already I instantly pre-ordered this one. It is such a cool piece. I'll show you all the way around this. This is such a cool. This is so cool. I've always wanted a Night King of the Dead, and so look at his face. That is freaking cool. That is just awesome. I'm loving this piece. Like I said, I pre-ordered it. As you can see, $5.99 US. Free shipping right now. And I opted to do the payment plan, which is I love from these guys. Yeah, such a cool piece. Let's see here. Where is that? Just trying to. You can see it's a decent size too. Is where you can see the guy holding it. So it's it is 1/6 scale, and you can see here it's gonna weigh just over 17 pounds, and those are the measurements there for it. Really cool. I'm loving this piece, and then I love the skulls on the bottom with the wavy green stuff that you see in the movies. It is such a cool piece. I can't wait to get this one. And so let's go back. So that's King of the Dead. And then there is, I'll show you in another video of these skulls. There is this Radagast 1/6 scale. I do not have a Radagast, so this is a cool piece. There's no details on this one, but you can see that this is the classic series. And like I said, I don't have this one. I don't have a Radagast. I've been waiting for a while to get one. And then, so that's classic scale. And then there is another one, which I am really excited for. And it is this Radagast in Roscobel. And I'll bring this up. And you can see here, look at that. Radagast with all his trinket, all his potions and everything in Roscobel. So cool. Let's go over here, but this is going to be a heavy bugger. It's near like 25 pounds. Dimensions are pretty good. It's a pretty good size. And so out of the two, I would really like to get this one. Just I want to see the price on it, because the no, I think it might be free shipping on this. Let's go back for a second here. And this is a limited edition 1/6 scale statue. Yeah, no, I really love this one. Just I want to see the price on this one, and that will let me tell me if I'm gonna get this one or not. So as you can see, it's in the preview, and same with the other one. I like to get like I said, I like to get this one. Just I want to see the price on it. But if not, then I'll be getting the classic series on these ones here. Such cool pieces. So yeah, those are the statues they come up with, and I'll show you the skulls in another video here, because there's like five of them, and I'll go through them more detail on them. So yeah, I can't wait to get this King of the Dead I pre-ordered, and deciding on which Radagast I'm going to be getting there. So stay tuned. I will let you know which one I go with, and like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video, and comment down below what ones are you guys getting. If you guys are getting, I'm sure a few of you are going to be getting some. So stay tuned.